Hey guys, so I've been getting some requests for tutorials on how to do perspective in webcomics on Procreate. So I'm going to show you a nifty little tool. Let's go up to our Actions tab. We are going to go to Canvas. I'm not using my pen because it is dead. So we're going to go down to Drawing Guide. We're going to go to Edit Drawing Guide. And as you can see, we are on 2D grid right now. Let's switch over to Perspective. Now, with Perspective, you can pick a horizon line just about anywhere, and now we have 1 point perspective. Let's switch it up and make it 2 point by selecting another vanishing point right on the horizon line. And then we can even go further and make it a 3 point perspective, like so. So now we have a serviceable grid. We can go down to this assisted drawing. You want to make sure it's turned on, and then close this out, and the grid will stay on the canvas for us to draw on. The nice thing about assisted drawing is that it's going to help us guide every line so that anything we do is going to conform to the grid selected. Of course, we can't do organic lines, but we can just go back in and we can undo assisted drawing, and then we can go back to drawing people, whatever. So it's super easy, it's super effective, and yeah, it's just an efficient tool to use. I never use it because I like to make things really hard for myself, and you should not follow my lead. You should definitely use this. Okay, bye.